Imagine a world where art and technology blend together, creating breathtaking masterpieces. That's the magic of AI and digital art. AI, or artificial intelligence, is no longer just the stuff of science fiction. It's here, and it's transforming the way we create and perceive art. From the stroke of a digital brush to the spectral hues of a virtual palette, AI algorithms are taking the reins, allowing us to venture into uncharted realms of creativity. It's as if we've been given a new set of eyes, enabling us to see and create art in ways we never thought possible. These AI algorithms aren't just mimicking human artistry, they're generating entirely new pieces of art, creating unique and intricate patterns that push the boundaries of what we define as art. The possibilities seem limitless, opening up a whole new world of artistic expression. The integration of AI and art is just the beginning of a new artistic revolution. The journey of AI in the field of art is nothing short of fascinating. It's a tale that begins in the mid-20th century, when the first seeds of artificial intelligence were sown. Back then, the idea of machines creating art was more science fiction than reality. But as technology advanced, so too did the possibilities. By the late 90s, AI had started to make its mark in the art world. A watershed moment came with the advent of Aaron, an AI artist created by Harold Cohen. Aaron could create original, eye-catching artworks, pushing the boundaries of what we thought machines could do. This was the dawn of a new era, where AI wasn't just a tool for creating art, but an artist in its own right. The turn of the millennium saw AI art evolve further with the advent of neural networks and machine learning. These technologies allowed AI to learn from existing art, recognize patterns, and create its own unique pieces. This gave rise to a new breed of digital art, such as Deep Dream by Google, which creates dreamlike psychedelic images by identifying and enhancing patterns in pictures. In the last decade, AI has infiltrated all forms of digital art. From painting and photography to graphic design, AI has become an indispensable tool for artists worldwide. It's not just about creating art either. AI is also revolutionizing the way we discover, curate, and appreciate art. One notable breakthrough was the sale of Portrait of Edmond de Bellamy in 2018, an artwork created by an AI algorithm, which fetched a staggering $432,000 at Christie's auction house. This was a defining moment that signaled AI's acceptance and recognition in the mainstream art world. From humble beginnings to groundbreaking innovations, AI's journey in art is a testament to the power of human creativity and technological advancement. As we stand on the cusp of a new decade, one thing is clear: the story of AI and art is far from over. It's only just beginning. As we look to the future, we can't help but wonder, what's next for AI and digital art? The horizon of creativity is expanding, and AI is at the helm, steering us towards a revolution in the world of art. Picture this: a future where AI algorithms are crafting new artistic styles and techniques, pushing the boundaries of what we previously thought possible. These are not just random patterns and colors, but meaningful, evocative pieces that stir the soul. Imagine a world where every brushstroke, every pixel, is imbued with the intelligence of AI, creating art that's not just visually stunning, but also emotionally resonant. But the future of AI in digital art isn't just about high-tech masterpieces. It's about democratizing art, breaking down barriers and making art accessible to everyone, regardless of their artistic skills. With AI, anyone can be an artist. Anyone can express themselves in ways they never thought possible. The future is bright, and it's painted with the colors of AI. Intrigued by the fusion of art and AI? There's so much more to explore. Imagine a world where creativity and technology dance together in an endless waltz, painting vibrant stories on a digital canvas. That's the world we're exploring on this channel. We're delving deep into the heart of AI-generated art, and we want you to be a part of this journey. From the intricate workings of AI algorithms to the breathtaking beauty of AI-created masterpieces, there's a treasure trove of content waiting for you. You'll get to witness firsthand the birth of a new era of art, an era where creativity is not confined to the human hand. So, are you ready to step into this mesmerizing world, where art and AI converge to create magic? Join us on this exciting journey. Subscribe to our channel to discover more about the mesmerizing world of AI and art. Remember, the canvas of the future is digital, and it's waiting for you to explore.